Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen lobster tail. First, proper thawing is crucial for delicious results. The best method is to place your frozen lobster tails in the refrigerator for about 24 hours. If you're short on time, you can use the cold water method. Simply put the sealed tails under cold running water for 30 to 60 minutes. This ensures even thawing and preserves the delicate texture. Once thawed, preparing the lobster tail is simple. Use kitchen shears to carefully cut down the center of the top shell, stopping just before the tail fan. Gently pull the shell apart and lift the raw lobster meat, letting it rest on top of the shell. This piggyback style ensures even cooking. A quick rinse under cold water removes any small shell fragments, then pat the meat dry. Now for the exciting part, cooking. You have several excellent options. Broiling takes just 1 to 2 minutes per ounce of meat, resulting in a tender, juicy finish. Baking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes is another great choice, ensuring the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees. Grilling for 5 to 8 minutes or steaming for a similar duration also yields fantastic results. To elevate your lobster, brush the cooked tails with melted butter, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a sprinkle of your favorite herbs like parsley or chives. This adds incredible flavor and moisture. Serve your magnificent lobster tails immediately with extra melted butter for dipping and fresh lemon wedges on the side. A dash of paprika can also add a beautiful color and subtle warmth. Enjoy your gourmet meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.